Hey guys, today's quick tip is all about creating your football schedule magnets. I cannot tell you how many people's houses we've walked into and seen these on the refrigerator. It stays on the refrigerator for about 4 months in all your clients' houses, and you're in front of them and they're looking at it to check in on the schedule. So we have a couple options. You have the OU one and you have the OSU one. And then to find this on the drive, it's under WRCOK office marketing promo items, and then you go magnets and just click this year. You'll see both of them in there. You can also just search this name on the drive. It'll get you there. But all you do is you come in this and duplicate your slide so that you don't cover someone else's up. And you're going to click where your photo is. You're going to replace your image. And your image should be, your headshot should be on the drive under headshots. And you can select it. Don't know why it's taking so long for this. Obviously, you'll come down here after you change your image and you can just click on this text and change it to whatever it needs to be. I'm gonna go get this headshot real quick. So if you go to our drive under office, and then realtors actually will be the headshots that you guys are looking for. I think that's this path here. Yep. And you'll see the cutout ones. So if I was gonna make one here for whoever, Destiny doesn't have one in here yet. I just click there and click open. You'll change out your, and she can adjust this. So she's kind of cut off, so she may not like that. So she could adjust this down to be less cut off, or even move herself over a little bit so she's not crowding the text. Something like that. Or she can move her and the text over to look a little better, and then crop less of her hand out of here. So something like that. She could change her name in here, her phone, her email, and then at the end, all you're gonna do is go file and download a JPEG. Once you have the JPEG, I'll just download this. Sorry, it's moving so slowly. I'm just throwing in my downloads. You can take this to any magnet maker, any promo item maker. It's just postcard size, so it's a very general size. We just do ours through Vistaprint. There's actually a code today I'll share in the email that I'm going to send this out in. And you just come up here to marketing materials and postcard magnets. And again, you can do this in any site that you want. Doesn't matter to me. We're going to select our product orientation to be horizontal. Yep. And then you can select your quantity. 10's the minimum, but obviously the price goes down. We usually order 50 when we do them. And then you're just going to click it usually does not move this slow, so don't worry, it will not be this slow when you're clicking on it. We're going to click upload design. You might be able to even drag directly from here. I'm going to try. Once we get this to load. See if that works. I don't know if it's just going slowly or it's not actually working. So just went in there and I uploaded it, clicked it, and you're ready to order. So really simple process. Highly recommend you guys all do it. Do it ASAP. And in fact, today you're going to get that special code so that you can do it. It's in the email, the code word surprise, and I'll send it in the email. But get these ordered. It's 40 or 50 bucks, and you get to be on 50 people's refrigerators for 4 months. So it's a really smart thing to do. Highly recommend it. If you need help, let me know. I'm happy to help you.